If you drive an SUV or a truck, one of the fastest ways to waste money is buying tires that are wrong for how you actually use the vehicle. And that mistake gets expensive fast. Heavy vehicles punish bad tire choices harder. They wear them faster, expose weak wet traction sooner, and turn road noise into cabin noise. If you tow, haul, commute, or road trip, the wrong set can quietly drain your wallet mile after mile. And here's what most owners miss. The tire that looks the toughest is not always the smartest buy. The cheapest upfront price is rarely the cheapest long-term. So in this video, I'm giving you 3 tire brands I would avoid first for most daily driven SUVs and trucks, and 7 brands that actually last. And before the comments section starts doing burnouts, let me be precise. I am not saying every tire from these brands is garbage. I'm saying that if your priorities are tread life, wet grip, low noise, predictable road manners, and better cost per mile, these are the brands I would think twice about before buying. Let's start with the 3 I'd avoid first. Number 3. Lionheart. Lionheart lives in that tempting zone where the price can pull people in fast, and for some buyers, especially if the vehicle is older or the budget is tight, that price point can make sense. But if you own a daily driven SUV or truck and your real mission is long-term value, this is not where I would start. The problem is not that Lionheart is a catastrophe. It's that once you look at mileage expectations and real-world positioning, you're usually not getting the long life advantage you want on a heavy vehicle. A lot of Lionheart offerings live in the budget value lane, not the best long-term buy lane. Heavier vehicles are less forgiving. A tire that looks acceptable on paper can turn into a noisier, shorter-lived compromise once you put it under an SUV or pickup that sees regular highway use, passengers, cargo, heat, potholes, and rain. So if the goal is just cheap enough to get me going, Lionheart can have a place. But if the goal is buy once, ride quiet, stay safe, and stretch your dollars over time, I'd usually move on. Number 2. Mickey Thompson. This one is not a quality problem. It's a use case problem. Mickey Thompson makes tires that a lot of enthusiasts genuinely like. And if you actually use your truck off-road, want a more aggressive all-terrain setup, or care about trail performance, sidewall bite, and a tougher look, I completely understand the appeal. But for the average SUV or truck owner who spends most of life on pavement, I would still avoid going here first. Why? Because this is exactly where people buy too much tire for too little reason. A lot of Mickey Thompson's appeal is built around aggressive all-terrain capability. That sounds exciting. But if your real life is mostly freeway, city driving, family hauling, and the occasional rainy road trip, that extra aggression often comes with trade-offs in tread life, refinement, weight, and cost per mile compared with a strong highway tire. And to be fair, the Baja Boss AT gets surprisingly positive feedback for being quieter on road than many people expect from an aggressive AT. That's exactly why I'm not calling it junk. It clearly works for the right buyer. But if you mostly drive pavement, it's still not the smart money move for most people. It's a steak knife when what you needed was a chef's knife. Number 1. Ironman. Ironman is the classic "this looks like a deal" brand. And again, I want to be fair. For some buyers, especially on older SUVs, short-term ownership, or a strict budget, Ironman can absolutely be serviceable. Some users report decent experience for the money, especially in basic highway use. But if your main question is, which brand should I avoid if I want the best long-term value, refinement, and tread life for my SUV or truck? Ironman still lands near the top of my skip list. Why? Because this is where the false economy trap gets real. A lower purchase price feels great on day one. But if the ride gets noisier sooner, the wet confidence is only average, and the tire simply doesn't deliver the same long, calm, durable ownership experience as the better options in this category, then the cheap tire becomes an expensive habit. That is the hidden math a lot of owners miss. Now let's flip the script. Here are 7 brands that last and make more sense for the way most SUVs and trucks are driven. Number 7. Kumho. Kumho is one of the better value plays in this entire conversation. If you want something more affordable than the premium names, but still want a legitimate highway-focused option with respectable tread life, Kumho deserves a serious look. The reason it doesn't rank higher is simple. It's a value pick, not the refinement king. Some feedback points to a little more road character and less polish than the premium brands. So I'd frame Kumho like this. Strong value, solid choice, not the last word in cabin serenity. Number 6. Cooper. Cooper is the practical middle ground brand that makes a lot of sense for truck and SUV owners who want versatility without going full fake overland cosplay. If your vehicle sees mostly pavement, but occasionally gets dirt roads, job sites, weather, gravel, or moderate utility use, Cooper is often the kind of brand that splits the difference well. You usually get more toughness and flexibility than a pure highway tire, without going all the way into loud, short-life, heavy all-terrain territory. For a lot of owners, that is exactly the sweet spot. Number 5. Goodyear. Goodyear earns its place here because it gives a lot of SUV and truck owners exactly what they should be buying in the first place. A highway-oriented tire with strong durability, good wet road confidence, and real-world daily usability. That matters more than people think. For most truck owners, the best tire is not the most aggressive one. It's the one that stays civilized, wears evenly, feels planted in the rain, and doesn't punish you on long drives. That's where Goodyear's better highway options make a strong case. Number 4. Pirelli. A lot of people still associate Pirelli more with sporty European flavor than with long-term SUV practicality. But some of Pirelli's SUV-focused options have built a very good reputation for comfort, low noise, and surprisingly solid tread wear. When real-world owners keep praising the same things over and over, smooth ride, quiet cabin, confident all-season behavior, I pay attention. Pirelli may not be the first brand that comes to mind in this category, but that's why it deserves to be here. Number 3. Bridgestone. Bridgestone belongs in this list because it does a lot of things well at once. Good comfort, good wet confidence, good all-season manners, good treadwear potential. In other words, it checks the grown-up tire boxes. You can still find owners who feel wear didn't match their expectations, but overall, the feedback pattern is still strong enough that I would absolutely keep Bridgestone in the smart buy category for SUVs and crossovers, especially if what you want is a premium tire that feels balanced and civilized. Number 2. Continental. If I'm weighting this list more heavily toward what real daily-driven SUV and truck owners seem to value most, quietness, wet grip, comfort, and steady tread life, Continental becomes very hard to ignore. This is one of those brands that keeps showing up in the same flattering sentences again and again. Smooth, quiet, confident, planted, long-wearing. And that consistency matters. Because in this segment, I'm not looking for one heroic test result. I'm looking for repeated proof that owners keep getting the same experience over thousands of miles. Continental has built a very strong case there. And number 1? Michelin. If you forced me to give one safest answer brand for the broadest group of SUV and truck owners, Michelin still wears the crown. Why? Because Michelin keeps winning where it matters most for real life. Wet traction, predictability, comfort, low noise. And the big one, the sense that you bought something engineered to age gracefully, instead of falling apart emotionally halfway through its life. That's why Michelin stays number 1 here. Not because every Michelin tire is magic, not because you can ignore price, but because if your goal is to reduce regret, reduce surprises, and maximize the odds that your SUV or truck feels secure and refined for a long time, Michelin is still the benchmark answer for a huge percentage of buyers. So what's the actual takeaway? Simple. If your SUV or truck spends most of its life on pavement, stop buying tires with your eyes and start buying them with your use case. Don't assume the cheapest tire saves money. Don't assume the most aggressive tread is the smartest choice. And don't confuse good for some people with good for most daily-driven SUVs and trucks. Because a brand like Mickey Thompson can absolutely make sense if you really need off-road bias. A brand like Ironman can make sense if the budget is brutally tight. A brand like Lionheart can make sense if you just need a lower-cost replacement and your expectations are realistic. But for most viewers watching this video, people who want long tread life, quieter rides, stronger wet road confidence, and better long-term value, the smarter move is usually to shop higher on the ladder. Think Kumho if you want value. Think Cooper if you want versatility. Think Goodyear or Pirelli if you want strong daily driver options. Think Bridgestone or Continental if you want premium balance. And think Michelin if you want the safest all-around answer for the largest number of SUV and truck owners. And one last thing, even the best tire on this list will wear badly if you treat it badly. So if you want that tread life you paid for, rotate your tires on time, keep alignment in check, run the right pressure for the load, and stop pretending that "I'll do it next month" is maintenance. Because tire life isn't just bought, it's protected. If this video helped you avoid an expensive mistake, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the tire brand you're running right now and how many miles you actually got out of it. And if you want to save even more money on your next set, watch the next video. Because I'm breaking down the tire mistakes that destroy SUV and truck tread life way faster than most drivers realize.